Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Discord on your laptop for free. Let's get started. First, open any web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Now, go to the official Discord website by typing in discord.com. That's discord.com. Once the website loads, click the button that says Download for Windows. If you're using a Mac or Linux, Discord will detect it automatically and show the right download button for your system. After the file finishes downloading, locate the file called Discord Setup and double-click it to start the installation. Discord will now install automatically. Just wait a few moments while it sets everything up. No extra steps are needed here. Once it's installed, Discord will launch on its own. If not, just find the Discord icon on your desktop or start menu and open it. Now you can either log into your existing account or click register to create a new one. Enter your email, username, password, and birthday to sign up. And that's it. You've successfully installed Discord on your laptop. You're now ready to join servers, chat with friends, or start your own community. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down below what tutorial you want next.